everyone, my name is Aryavira and I am very much excited to share with you my second data analytics project during my internship as a part of the data analyst at meriSKILL's organization. During my internship, I was fascinated by the opportunity of delivering through CSV files of data and collecting valuable insights and information that may assist individuals in making data-driven decisions. Title of my project is Diabetes Patient Analysis. Purpose of my project is to analyze and predict whether a patient has diabetes based on certain diagnostic measurements, including in the dataset. Let me give you the glance of the dashboard that I have developed using Microsoft Power BI. As you all can see that I have created this dashboard using Microsoft Power BI. So Microsoft Power BI provides us a different variety of builder visual tools that are available on the right hand side on the screen of the screen. As you all can see, these are the different columns that are attached in this database, in this data set. I have used few of these builder visual tools. So let me explain you each of them one after the other. Here I have used three card as a builder visual tool. First is average age, second is average glucose, third is average skin thickness. Please note that which I have attached to the project is the data of the females from age 21 to age 81. So this first card, which is nothing but average age, displays the average age of the females, that is 33. This card is nothing but a average glucose card or average builder visual tool that I have used here, which displays the average glucose intake of the female. And this is one of the most important factors to analyze the diabetes. Apart from that, I have used third card component as average skin thickness, which displays the average skin thickness of the female, which is now currently as 21. Other than that, I have used three slicers. First is A slicer, second is glucose tolerance slicer, third is BMI group. These three slicers give us a drop down list from which we can select the required value. First slicer, that is age group, displays the different age group, that is from 20 to 30, 30 to 40, till 70 to 80. Second slicer, which is glucose tolerance, is one of the most important key factor which displays us the value of diabetes and non-diabetes. By selecting any one of the value, we can identify whether how many females have diabetes, what is the average age, and so on and so forth. Now I have used Gauge Gauge as my builder visual tool, as you all can see. But here I have used two gauge, one for the pregnancy and one for BMI. First gauge, that is pregnancy, will display the pregnant woman, that is 3.85, and second gauge, which is nothing but a BMI, that is body mass index, will display the body mass index of the female. Now let me explain you the other component. This is nothing but a ribbon chart. This chart displays the glucose and insulin intake by the age group. Next, talking about the stacked area chart, this explains us the glucose and insulin intake of the female patient by the diabetes. This is one of the most important chart in this dashboard, as this chart will display the glucose intake and insulin intake by diabetes. So this chart will let us know that the patient has diabetes or the patient do not have diabetes. Talking about the next component, which is clustered column chart. This chart explain about the average pregnancy by the age group. This gives some extra information to us. This tells us about the average pregnancy by age group. This gives us the specific information of the pregnancy and at what age the female is been pregnant. Next, This is a matrix. Now you might be wondering that clustered column chart also displays the average pregnancy by age group, and this matrix is also doing the same thing. But let me explain you that this is a matrix of average pregnancy by age group, but along with this, it also displays that how many patients are diabetic and how many are not. Next, this is the clustered bar chart. This chart displays the insulin intake by age group. Last but not the least, this is the donut chart. This displays the average blood pressure by age group. Now, let me explain you all of this component with an example. First, if I select age group as 20 to 30, then here I can see the different analysis using the KPIs. Average age is 43. Average glucose intake by the females between 20 to 30 is 129. Average skin thickness for the females between 20 to 30 is 19. Average pregnancy by age group. Here you can see that from the age 20 to 30, underweight are 0, healthy are 296, class 3 obesity are 1099, overweight are 1264, class 2 obesity are 2063, class 1 obesity are 2358, and total are 7080. This is a very good example and also displays a specific information of average pregnancy by age group in the females. This this gauge or this builder visual tool or the component explain about the body mass index BMI of age group between 20 to 30, that is 32.63. Now let me select BMI group as healthy and see the difference between the analysis. Here, as you can see, the average age, as you all can see here, average age of BMI group that is healthy between 20 to 30 is 23. Average glucose intake is 101. Average skin thickness is 12. And average blood pressure is 61.48. Now, if I select this option, which is drill down, this option give us the idea about the diabetic and non-diabetic patient in the healthy BMI group category. When I select this, then I can see that 44 patients are diagnosed or predicted as diabetes patient. 716 patients are diagnosed as non-diabetic patient and total patients are 760. So this dashboard is useful and at the same time very important for the healthcare sector, as this dashboard will clearly explain the patient that are diabetes, that have diabetes and that do not have diabetes with specific age group. Along with that, I think this dashboard is important because this dashboard can simplify and can save your time to distinguish between the diabetic patient and non-diabetic patient. This has an upper advantage because with the help of glucose tolerance slicer or glucose tolerance drop down list, we can directly select diabetic and non-diabetic patient and can find the analysis. Suppose if I select diabetic as my option, then I can see that average age of diabetic patient in female is 38. Average skin thickness is 23. Average glucose intake is 164. This is the metrics of BMI group and skin thickness. Where diabetes patient in class 1 obesity has 1597, class 3 obesity has 1250, class 2 obesity has 1091, and so on and so forth. Total patients are 4525. I think this dashboard can help individuals to make better decisions with the help of data. Thank you.